Hello and Assalamualaikum. So today Shaza and I will be together in our Q&A session based on our um, talk that we heard together about water conservation.
Conservation.
So yes, and I will be asking Shaza a question and vice versa. Okay, so my first question for Shaza is, what is the definition of water stress?
Okay, so was water stress based on the talk that we've watched? It can be defined as there is no simply not enough water for agriculture, industrial, and domestic waste. Okay, so now I'll be asking with that questions. What plant does the speaker use to test her theory on soap, which disturb the growth of plant?
Okay, so there are three plants that she used. First is green beans, second is radishes, and third is arugula. So next, I will be asking Shaza another question. What are the 4 ways that contribute to water stress?
Okay, so the 4 ways that contribute to water stress is firstly by withdrawing too much water from surface water's life from the Aral Sea for the past 30 years. Next is by withdrawing too much water from underground aquifers. Thirdly, in waste such polluting water in terms of poor water sewage or waste from paper mill factories. And finally, overconsumption of water. Okay, so next, the question for you is, what did the speaker mention about the amount of water a person could save by closing the tap while brushing one's teeth with that?
Okay, so when a person close the tap while brushing one's teeth, a person could save 12 liters of water every time washing the teeth. And also, in 9 years, the amount of water saved by closing the tap is equal to the volume of 7 adults elephant. Okay, so I will be asking Shaza one last question for you. So based on the talk, the presenter mentioned that soap that we practically use every day affect the environment due to few ingredients in the soap that really do make an impact. So can you name 3 ingredients that and explain briefly the damage it does to our environment?
Okay, sure. So the three ingredients are contained in soap are sodium chloride, lactose, and EDTA out of the ingredients mentioned by the presenter. So the disadvantages of these three ingredients, starting with sodium chloride, it is greatly terrible for plants because it is the cause of marginal leaf scorching as it made the leaves turn brown. Next, the ingredient lactose, it promotes bacterial growth. Which then causes oxygen depletion and soil along with water. Not least of all, there is EDTA in soap, which increases heavy metal mobilization and also increases eutrophication of lakes. And also EDTA is not biodegradable. Okay, so the last question for Vidat is, according to the talk, how do we reduce water consumption?
So the speaker mentioned 3 ways that we can reduce the water consumption. First is close the tap while brushing the teeth. And second is take shorter time to shower. And the last one is fix dripping tap in the house. So that's all.
Okay, so that is all from Vidat and me, Shaza. Thank you.
Thank you.